YouTube, what's good? I'm coming at y'all with another banger. It's your boy Thrax, and I got a little surprise in the driveway today that I wasn't expecting, but yeah, man, this is basically what I was talking about in my first video that's gonna be coming soon. Let's take a look, see what we got. Alright, y'all, so what I'm finna do is I'm finna get these boxes, take them inside, get them upstairs, and then I'm gonna get them unboxed. And then next thing I'm gonna do after that is see if I can try to set them up somewhere. Kind of start like graphing out where everything will go at. So I'll see y'all in a minute. So got the first one out. This is pretty nice, man. They're pretty sturdy. And then they got this little tab in the front that you just pull down on. And you just pull down on the tab in the front. That goes in here like that, I guess. I done broke it already. But yeah. So now you got drop front shoebox. So now I don't have to unstack all my sneakers just to get to my pair that's on the bottom that I really want to wear. Alright, y'all, so I got all the boxes set up. This is 36 total. I got 6 boxes of the 6 packs. So like I said, they equal up to 36. Everything seemed to be kind of in order when it came here. The only problem was I had 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 6 boxes total that were messed up. Basically what happened is they broke in the corners, like down in the bottom of the back corners in the back of the boxes. And then all the drop front lids on the front of them are all bent up. It's kind of hard to open them up with it bent. So I'm gonna take those back. I already called the container store. They were real nice about it. All they said was, hey, just bring it back in. We'll swap them out for you, and then you can be on your way. So I'm probably end up doing that maybe tomorrow or the next day after when I get off work. So here go the boxes that are broke or the fronts are bent on them. If you look on there, you see that it's bent up. We also got a couple of these that were broke on the bottom. So that's one. And then that's the other one. So if I got a word of advice to anybody that's looking at purchasing some drop front containers, I would say before they come in, make sure that you get the proper amount. The next thing that you want to do is when they come in, you want to check every single box. Go over all of them, inspect all of them, make sure that none of them are broken. The drop fronts aren't bent up. You don't want any issues with these if you're paying this much for these, man. I actually waited till they had the perk points or pop points, whatever they call them, and then I end up doing the container store credit. They were already 10% off too. I ended up paying less than 500 for $500 worth of containers, basically. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get on out of here. It's been real. It's your boy Nas Thrax. It's been Thrax Kicks, and I'm out.